Welcome back to the Plays with Cars YouTube channel and another episode of Miniatures Mondays. Today we have a new one, finally. I've been looking at cars, looking for cars for months. Can't seem to find anything worth buying until now. Hot Wheels Car Culture Team Transport finally got some locally. For 2020, they've got the 70 Plymouth Superbird with the 76 livery, this RWB Porsche 930, and the Mazda 787B. So you can see here I got myself one of the RWB Porsche 930s. It's really well done. I'm not much of an RWB guy. I'm not much of a 911 guy, honestly. Like, I love Porsches, but mostly Boxsters and Caymans and 944s and 928s and weird things. But I do like an RWB car, especially done up Hot Wheels. And the Aerolift, I don't think I have an Aerolift truck yet. I think they may have done these in some of the Volkswagens or something like that, but I haven't collected any of those. So I was happy to get this one. Haven't decided if I'm opening this one or not yet, because I do really like the packaging on it. But for now, at least I have it. The other one, as anybody who knows me knows, that I was really after was this, the 787B with the Secura Sprinter. You can see this, the truck itself is really well done. With the livery and stuff, I really like the Afeni emblem here on the back. And inside, you can see we have us a 787B. And for comparison's sake, here is the original 787B that Hot Wheels put out in Car Culture a little over a year and a half ago. Longtime viewers will remember I actually started this channel with this actual car. When you bought these spoilers were bent in toward the rear of the car like that really badly. And I showed you how to fix them with some boiling water, and that became Miniatures Monday episode 0. You can see now a little over a year later, it started to come back a little bit, so I need to do it again. I might update that video. What I wanted to show you was the new car still has it a little bit, but it almost looks as if the spoiler is a different casting. You can see here the end plates on it are thicker and more squared off, and there's more definition on the front and the rear where the little lips are. On the original spoiler, it's pretty smooth. On this one, it's got like a lip, almost like a gurney flap on the back. And when you look at them side on here, you can see some more difference. They've put more angle of attack, bent it more up like this on the newer one, and changed the end plate shape. You can see the end plate shape here is more squared off and different than the very triangular one here. Looking through the back too, maybe not quite any differences in there as much, but definitely a different spoiler now being used on the Mazda 787B car. See if we can get a close-up. You can see how bent this one still is even after being fixed. It just has bent back over the year. So you could see it's something Hot Wheels has been working on. It's probably why we haven't seen that casting again until now. But I mean, look at the tampos. They are glorious. This car looks so good. I'm sad that they dropped the headlights, because the headlights looked really good on the original here. And that really would have made this one. And it is a Car Culture one. They should have done it, but, I guess you can't have them all perfect. And, of course, the rear bodywork still opens up like that, so you can check everything out in there. It looks really nice with the transport truck. So you got yourself a whole little vintage racing team right there, looking nice and sharp. Of course, one day I'm sure we'll have to get a Renown paint scheme, the 91 Le Mans winner on the 787B, and when that happens, I'll have to get about 1 million of them. But for now, I did pick up 2 of these. I got one that's still in the box that'll stay there, and I got one here to open and put on the display. Same thing with this. I still have a couple of these in the box, because this is my all-time favorite race car, so definitely loving finally having this. I've been searching and searching and searching for this one. I didn't want to buy it on eBay or online or anything like that. Finally found it in the store, so I was excited to share it all with you. But yeah, definitely the rear spoiler here has changed on the Mazda 787B for Car Culture. It is definitely different. You can see even there the little supports underneath the undercut have changed too. So still a little bit of warpage, but not as bad, not the same thing. They've updated and improved it, so these are probably fine right out of the box. But yeah, 787B still looking great. Car Culture Team Transport still looking great. This RWB is real nice. I should probably open this one up too and play with it, because that'll look really nice. on the Porsche shelf, but I'm running out of display room here, so I got to make some changes. So who knows, maybe we'll do another video of things leaving the collection. But until next time, that's been Plays with Cars and another episode of Miniatures Monday.